students, welcome back to the series of lectures of mathematics. In today's video lesson, I am going to discuss with you exercise 10.2, the remaining problems which we had left over in the surface areas and volumes, chapter 10 of class 9th. Now we will continue the exercise 10.2 problems I have done in my previous video lesson till the fourth problem. I will do the fifth one, and the before one, that is 1 to 4th problem, you can click on the icon and get it notified. And the before parts of this exercise, this chapter, you can go to the channel playlist wherein you will find surface areas and volumes chapter playlist. There you can click on that particular video to get it observed. Now here we will continue the fifth one. A metal pipe is 77 centimeters long. The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeters. The outer diameter being 4.4 centimeters. Find its inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area, and the total surface area. Here the diagram is also given. The inner radius, the outer radius, all those are also given. Let's draw the diagram first. Here I am drawing the diagram. There it is in the green color. Drawing the diagram with the blue one. See here, this is the inner and this is the outer cylinders. The black one is the outer cylinder, and also given the inner radius R and the outer radius, let us mention it with capital R and small r. Here given the outer diameter as 4.4 centimeters. So the outer radius, you can take it as 2.2. Yes, by 2, isn't it? Diameter by 2 is the radius. Now the inner diameter given as 4 centimeters. So the inner radius is 2 centimeters. And also given that this cylinder is a pipe having a length of 77 centimeters. So this is the height. So if you are taking the pipe this side like this, if the pipe is like this, we call it as a length. If the pipe is like this, we call it as a height, isn't it? So here long means now nothing but the height here, 77 centimeters given. Now what we need to find? We have to find the inner curved surface area, CSA. Okay, so the CSA formula is 2 pi RH, small r and h. Here that I'll substitute 22 by 7 into r is small r. So the inner radius I'm taking it as small r, 2 into h is 77. So 7 ones, 7 11s. So that comes to here 88 into 11. We'll do it in the rough part here. Let's take here rough. 88 11s. So here again 968. Yes. So that is 968 square centimeters is the inner CSA. Now we'll go for the second part, that is outer curved surface area asked. So outer CSA is equal to 2 pi RH only, but we'll take R as capital R because the outer radius we have to consider. So H is same. So 2 into 22 by 7 into R, capital R is 2.2 into H. So H is 77. So the same 7 ones, 7 11s. Now here, so 22 square is 484, but there is a point, so one digit you can keep here and multiplied by 2. 2 into 11 is 22. Okay, so we will do 484 22s. 2 4s 8, 16, 9, again 8, 6, 9, 8, 16, here 10. So this comes to 10648, but there is a decimal point here. So from back you can keep one decimal point. Square centimeters are the units of the outer CSA. Now the third portion asked is total surface area. The total surface area just given. So that means asked, so total surface area of the outer we have to consider. So the outer cylinder. So the formula is 2 pi r. I am taking capital R, r plus h. Because here we are considering the outer cylinder. So 2 into 22 by 7 into R. R is here 2.2. Again 2.2 plus H is 77. So do this calculation here, the same thing. 2 into 48.4. 22 square is 484. So 1.48.4 multiplied by this is 79.2. 77 plus 2.2, 79.2 divided by 7. 7 will not go in all these things, but you can multiply and divide with 7. You get somewhere around 1095.22, something like this. So square centimeters. Okay, do the calculations in the rough part and note it down. Please pause and note it down. Let's see the next one. Sixth one, a cylindrical pillar has a diameter of 56 centimeters and is of 35 meters high. There are 16 pillars around the building. Find the cost of painting the curved surface area of all the pillars at the rate of rupees 5.50 per meter square. So here a cylindrical pillar, and such pillars are 16 pillars around the building. Now we have to find the cost of painting the curved surface area only. So what we will do, we will given the cost of 1 meter square is 5 rupees 50 paisa. So we have to find how much square meters it is having here, because per 1 square meter it is given. So we will shift all these measurements into meters first, because few are given in centimeters and few are in meters, right? Let us make into one. Here there are 16 cylindrical pillars. So we will find likewise 16 are there. So we will find one curved surface area of one pillar, then we will multiply with 16. So we will get the curved surface area of 16 pillars. Now we will write the dimensions here. Diameter is 56. So here diameter is 56 centimeters. Okay, so that means we will shift this into meters. So this is diameter is 0.56 meters. We know that 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So likewise 56 centimeters is how many meters is? That is 0.56 meters. And also given the length of the pillar, it is high, 35 meters high. So 35 meters. So this is in meters. This also I have shifted in meters. We want the radius, isn't it? 0.28. 56 by 2 so radius. So we got all this. We will find the CSA of one pillar and we will multiply with 16 pillars. Then we will find the cost. Okay. Now the sixth one. CSA of cylinder. Here our cylinder is one pillar. Okay, I'll mention it as one pillar. So that is 2 pi RH is the formula. 2 into 22 by 7 into R is 0.28 into H is 35 meters. All are in meters. So we get the area in square meters. 7170 point here 0. 2 doesn't go with 7, it is lesser. So 0. So 2 will be shifted over here. So 7 4 28. So here you will do a mistake. You will write 0.4. No, it is 0.04. Now this comes to 44 into 0.04 into 35. We will do the multiplication part in the rough. Here 44 into 4, 17. So after 2 digits, so here again 35. Later on we will keep the digits. Okay, 5 6 30, 35 38, 3 5 1 5 6 7 8, 6 3 is 18, 21 22, 2 here 3 1s 3 4 5 0. Here 11, 6, 6, 1, 6, 0. So 6, 1, 6, 0. After 2 digits we have to place, that is 61.6. 61.6 square meters, because we have the measurements in meters. So the area is in square meters. That is CSA of one pillar. Okay. We will find the CSA of 16 pillars. So that is just multiplying 16 into 61.6. Here only we will do here 616 into 16. 36, 9, 36 again. Here ones, so 616, 6, 15 here, 8, 9. So that comes to 9, 8, 5, 6, one digit is there. So this much square meters, all the 16 pillars curved surface area. Now here for 1 meter square, so cost of painting for 1 meter square, cost of painting pillars for 1 meter square is rupees, given as rupees 5 rupees 50 paisa. Now we need to find 16 pillars CSA. Okay, so 985.6 meter square, how much? Okay, cost of painting 16 pillars of this many meter square, okay, is how much? So we will cross multiply this 985.6 into 5.50. So this will become, we will do it here, 9856 into 550. So this is 0 first one, again 5 6 30, 5 5 is 25, 5 6 30, here 3, 5 5 is 25, 28, 2, 5 8 is 40, 42, 4, 45, 49. The same will be repeated here, 0 8 2 9 4. So 0 0 8, 10 here, 12 here, and 14 5. So this comes to 5420,800. So 3 digits, 2 plus 1, 3 digits. From 3 digits you can keep. So this much means rupees 5422.80 paisa. After 0 you can remove the, after decimal point you can remove the 0. So the cost of painting 16 pillars equals to this many rupees. Pause it and note it down. The diameter of a roller is 84 centimeters and its length is 120 centimeters. It takes 500 complete revolutions to roll over the playground to level it. Find the area of the playground in meters square. Now here a road roller is given. The roller is, the way the roller will be in cylindrical in shape. The roller is given. Here we will take like this. Okay, this is the roller, and roller is given as the diameter is 84 centimeters. So the diameter is 84. So immediately we'll write here 42 is the radius. Now this is the roller. And the length of the roller, here the length of the roller is 120. So here we can take it as height. Right, the length is nothing but the height of the cylinder. It takes 500 revolutions to roll over. This roller, by the road roller, it is used to level the playground. So total playground in square meters we want, but it is taking for the roller to complete level the playground for 500 revolutions. So one revolution means the roller will move like this. One complete revolution means 1 CSA we have to consider. That means if we find a curved surface area of 1 revolution, we will multiply it with 500, then we will get the same area of the playground. Now area of the playground covered is in 500 revolutions. Right, when the roller has rolled 500 times, it has leveled. So 1 revolution means 1 CSA. Likewise we will find. Now this is the 7th one. 1 revolution of roller. This is nothing but the CSA of cylinder. Here the cylinder is what? Nothing but the roller, isn't it? So 1 CSA of the cylinder. So let us find the CSA. So that is 2 pi RH. So we will see here R is 42 and H is 120. All are in centimeters. So we will get in centimeters. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 42 into H is 120. So 7 1 7 6 are 42. So multiply here 44 into 6 into 120. So we will do the calculations in the rough part here. So here 44 into 6, 6 was 24 plus 2, 26, 264. Okay, 264 into again 120. So this comes to 4 2s 8, 2s 12, 2 2s are 4, 5. Here again 264. 0863. So this comes to 31680 square meters. Okay. So what we will do is here given we have to find the area of the playground in meter square. All are in centimeters. So let us not do like this. We will shift this into, first we will write this into meters, then only we will get in square meters, isn't it? So let us write here, this is nothing but 0.84 meters because 100 centimeters is 1 meter. This also we will write, this is nothing but 1.20 meters. I have shifted everything into meters because we want to find in square meters. So we will apply that one. Now we will do here 2 into 22 by 7 into R is 0.42 into H is 1.20. So all are in meters. So we will cancel off 7170.06 7642. So this is 44 into 0.06 into 1.20. Right, this calculation also we will do the calculations here. So that comes to 44 into 6 again 264. Later on we will place the decimal point here. Okay, the same thing I have made. Okay, 4 2s 8, 6 2s 12, 5. Here again 264, 0, 8, 6, 11, 3. 316, the same thing, but we will get the decimal point after 2, 2 and 4 digits. Okay, so the same thing we got, what we have done, but the points, because they are in centimeters, we have made it into meters. So this is square meters here. Now for 1 revolution of the roller we got this. For 500 revolutions of roller, it will cover the entire playground. So 500 into 3.1680. We will multiply with 500 here. 0 0 0, all these are zeros here. Again 0 0 0, 5 zeros. So here 0, 5 8s, 40 here, 30, 34. 5 ones 5, 8, by 3 is 15. This comes to 1584 followed by 4 zeros. So 1584 followed by 4 zeros, but the decimal point after 4 zeros. So you can take it as 8 square meters is the entire playground. Here let us see, here find the area of the playground. Therefore the area of the playground is, because in 500 revolutions it is covering the entire playground. So we have calculated the CS of 500 revolutions. So 500 revolutions is nothing but the entire playground. The area of the playground is 1584 square meters. First we have taken here centimeters, but again later on we shifted into meters because we have to find in square meters. So the area of the playground is 1584 square meters. This is the rough part. That is the diagram of the roller. Please pause it and note it down. And with this we will end the class here. We will see the remaining problems in our next session. Thank you all.